Here we go. Carrying his shenanigans. He thinks he's a tornado hunter.
On this episode of After the Storm Chasers, where is it? Where's the down building that you saw on the news?
I'm looking.
Where is it? Because we're not seeing anything out here.
We're going to soon find it. I assure you we will find it.
A waste of time.
Damn, I should have bought my scanner.
A waste of time.
We still got power around these parts. You see? Look at debris. See, it's debris.
Trash?
Yeah.
Leaves on the ground and paper. Big storm passed through here. Leaves on the ground and paper.
I have faith. We're gonna
We drove
locate.
10 minutes on the highway to see leaves on the ground and
I
paper.
have faith we're gonna locate the damage from this very look, see? Look.
Oh, trees is down.
Trees down.
The trees is down in the parking lot.
We get in there. I need some gas though. We get in there.
You should let Naya drop the course right foot since we here.
Sure. Huh? We found something. Piece of the road is missing. Told you bitches we was gonna find something. But we gotta take a little detour. If somebody wanna drive. The foolishness. Oh, that's what we need to do. Follow the sirens.
Out of the what?
Sirens.
Sirens?
Yes, the sirens. You know? The sirens?
Sirens.
Sirens. Fucking need sirens.
What are we seeing right now? Storm nothing.
around these particular parts look okay. Alright. Around these parts look okay. I am convinced.
That you can take me back to the house now.
I'm convinced we're gonna find debris. I'm convinced. These parts look we need some gas. We're chasing debris. Yeah. Done. We're chasing debris and have no gas. Oh my God.
Your bright idea got us out here. What are you doing eating from out here? You don't even live in these parts.
I used to.
Where?
Right there.
Yeah?
Right back there.
Oh yeah? Reminiscent, huh? Don't forget what's happening on the 821 here.
What's happening at 821? What's happening at 821? I'm gonna break that fucking finger. Do that again. Do that again. Alright.
Hey, it's a stop sign here. Slow down.
Found what? Debris? Where at?
Here the next storm chaser.
Where at?
I think I found it.
I see some traffic up ahead. Maybe we coming up on it.
It says
Anytime today. Well, they outside, so look.
oh look, so they're doing nothing. So don't worry around here.
Wrong part of Ben Salem.
I think it says here that a car dealership appears to have collapsed.
A who?
A car dealership.
Where?
Jesus. Stop sign.
Sorry, what's going on? How you get loading?
You don't see you coming up on a stop sign?
Yes.
It says it's been Salem
Oh my God! I think it's gonna
at
be on street road.
7:46.
I think it's gonna be on street road. Let's go to street road. Let's go to street road. Let's head to street road, guys.
Let's go all this place with no gas.
Let's head to street road. We have 20 miles. 20 miles.
It says, please do not venture out here on roads of Ben Salem.
Where it says that at?
On Twitter.
Who cares? We are storm chasers. We are chasing the storm that has passed. And I right now. Naya, where is?
Oh my gosh, look. Look at the streets of Ben Salem.
Where? What the fuck? Can you find out where this is?
This is ridiculous.
You want me to find the
You,
building?
why you even came to chase storms?
You want me?
Yes.
At least I found the building.
How you found a building? I'm gonna find this station. Seeing some terrible footage here. Terrible footage. We're gonna locate this footage in a second.
That looks like nothing.
So why they made the tweet about the building, right? And somebody in the comments will say some COVID question mark.
I think I found it.
I found it too. I didn't found it.
You don't know where it
I
is.
told you it was the GMC
GMC where? Where?
on Lincoln Highway.
Alright, so what we need to do first, guys,
Stop for gas.
we need to get gas.
How do I use the bathroom? Can you stop me something wrong?
We need to get, oops, fantastic. Street road is coming up. Bus on right.
The girl said she needs to go to the bathroom.
Yeah, well, we're gonna stop. You want me to stop here? So she go to the bathroom here?
Well, I thought we were going to the Sunoco.
You going to where?
The Sunoco.
The who?
The Sunoco.
The Sunoco?
What language do both of y'all be speaking? The Sunoco.
Is this a quick check?
As we surface.
Instead of taking his foot home, he's still out here trying to find remnants of the storm. Now I got somewhere to be tomorrow morning. I ain't got all night to be out here with this foolishness.
Giants got a gas station? Look at this. Okay, Giants, I see you. Gas station. Hey, Giants. Yeah, buddy. We're not about to run out of gas tonight.
Jesus.
No, they bring showers and blinking fucking lights. Look at this. Look at this.
This whole storm chasing
Look at this. Look at this. Look at this.
thing is
Look at
a
this. I'm
whole...
going. Y'all gotta wait. I'm going. Fuckers. Naya, my
Drive this car
assistant,
back
where
first.
is the building?
Oh,
This is the worst. This is the worst. Drive this car back to 207. Ridiculous. Look at this rain.
I thought you knew where we was going.
He doesn't know where we're going.
I know where I'm going. I know. I'm gonna show y'all. We're gonna get to this building.
I told you it was the GMC.
I know. It's right up here.
I just don't know where.
It's right up here. It's right up here. On the other side of Street Road. Right up there where the sky is opening up. See the sky is opening up here? See?
This right here. The sky is opening up. Yeah.
You see that? Don't mock the gods. See? See? We're getting somewhere.
We ain't about to go up in that traffic.
See?
That's what
where
we're not
going.
gonna do.
That's where we have to go. That's where we have to go.
We need to jump up on the
We're not
this
doing
Route
anything
1
illegal.
This Route 1 North and take us home.
We're not about to do anything illegal. We're gonna follow. You know what? If I get off here,
Look at that.
if I get off
Ain't nobody trying to go and sit in this traffic.
I know.
Is he nuts?
I know what to do. Jesus, coming through. Jesus. Yeah, I know what to do. So we're gonna come down the other way, right? We're gonna get off on I know what to do. We're gonna exit by the mall. Bust it left. We're gonna bust it left. And then we're gonna go around. Watch this. Watch this, guys. Watch this. We're going to avoid that traffic, guys. Ooh, is that hill? Storm Chase is activated. I think that's hail, guys. I think we got some hail. We got some hail. We have some hail.
Hail. Rain.
Now, can you tweet? We have reports of hail in the Route 1 vicinity of Ben Salem.
This is just ridiculous.
Where you going there, buddy? We have reports of hail. Hail is coming down, guys.
Ain't no hail coming down over there. Look at all this. Look at this.
Looks like it's not raining by the mall, guys. No rain report at the mall.
What you don't know? These are raindrops. Just in case anybody wasn't sure what those wet spots were.
We can't get to the building. Everything is blocked off. Everything is blocked off, guys. We're just trying to bring you reports of the GMC collapse of the building, but it's not panning out too good.
This is the only action he's about to get.
It's not panning out too good.
These emergency crew in the street.
Not panning out too good.
That's all the action he get.
Not panning out too well.
Some storm chaser this is.
That's a pretty state police vehicle. Look at that. Ooh, look at those lights at the bottom. Christmas tree. So where I'm going? You gonna bust this left here? Can you bust that left? Yeah man, you can bust that left there, man. You gonna bust that left there? This is for the birds, guys. Sorry to disappoint you, but
Look at this damn traffic.
it's a bus.
Yes.
It's a bus. It's a bus, guys.
This fake ass
It's a
storm
bus.
chaser.
It's a bus. It's a bus.
Well, that's all, folks. An epic fail.
Disappointed, guys. So disappointed.
Don't quit your day job. This is all the action they got for you. These storm chasers. This is all the action they got for you. Yeah, that's
because you have fucking red and blue lights, you don't want to stop there? Is a cunt. Fuck you!
Stand corrected. There goes your action, people. There's your action for the night.